Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be using a spice to make a moisturizer. This is a very popular spice. It's a very unique spice and it is the Star Anise. Star Anise have skin firming, skin tightening properties. It will help to lift, tighten your skin. It's like a natural Botox in a spice. What I'm going to do, I am going to mix it with one of my favorite skin tightening ingredient, which is rice, to make a facial moisturizer, a skin firming tightening moisturizer that also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. So if you're interested to see how I use these two ingredients with other ingredients, of course, follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share the full detailed recipe and I'm also going to show you how to get the best result from using this on your skin. Now before I get in the kitchen, if you're interested in Star Anise Oil, you can find this on my website ALESMAXii.com. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. So my first ingredient is going to be rice, and today I am using white rice. What I did, I blend the rice for about 3 minutes or so in hot water, and now we are ready to use this. Rice contains skin firming, skin tightening properties. It also have exfoliating properties. When you use rice on the skin on a regular, it can help to slush off dead skin cells, brighten, tighten, and firm the skin. Now we're moving on to our main ingredient, and this is Star Anise. Star Anise is a spice, but it is known to tighten and firm the skin. When you use Star Anise on the skin for a long time, it gives your face a youthful appearance. So I am going to be using about a teaspoon of the Star Anise. We're adding this to the blanched rice. Now we are going to give this a stir, and what we're going to do next, we are going to move on to the next ingredient. Mixing Star Anise and rice will create a powerful anti-aging skin firming cream that will help to lift, tighten, and firm your forehead wrinkles, your sagging jawline. This will help to get rid of your deep parentheses. Also soften and brighten the skin. Moving on to my next ingredient, which is going to be lemon. I'm using the lemon zest, which contain an abundance of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps to lighten and brighten the skin, exfoliate the skin, and keep the skin with a natural glow. So I'm going to be zesting the lemon, and here I already have some zested dry lemon peel. So I'm going to use about a tablespoon of the lemon zest. I'm going to add this to the bowl with the rice. So here in our bowl, we have rice, we have Star Anise, and we have lemon zest. This is what we're going to be using to make our anti-aging facial moisturizer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reach for some hot water, make sure it's the boiling point, and I'm going to pour this in the bowl along with the rice and Star Anise and lemon peel. Now once this is done, I'm going to be setting this aside, and we're setting this aside to brew. Now you can choose to make this overnight or cover and set aside for about 5 to 10 hours or so to make sure this is totally brewed and infused. Do not put this in the refrigerator. Put it on your countertop and leave it there. So go ahead and make this overnight, set it aside, and then upon arising in the next morning, you're going to reach for it. And once you reach for it, you're going to give it a stir. What we're going to be doing with this, we are going to be straining. And at this time, everything has been infused, the Star Anise, the lemon zest, and the fermented rice, which is what is going to give this facial moisturizer its uniqueness, its powerful antioxidant of lightening, brightening, firming, and making your skin glow. So reach for a strainer. You can also choose to use a cheesecloth, and we're going to strain. Now after straining, take a look at this. Here we have our base for our facial moisturizer. This base, you can choose to also use it on your skin as a facial lotion as is. All you might need to this is some vegetable glycerin and some aloe vera gel. However, we're making a moisturizer with this, so now let's go ahead and add our other ingredient. The first thing we're going to do, we are going to reach for a small blender since we're going to be blending, and I'm going to use some oils. My first oil is going to be some grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a light oil that will not clog the pores. I'm using a tablespoon of grapeseed oil. My next oil is going to be some sweet almond oil. Grapeseed oil and sweet almond oil are both carrier oils which make a great oil base for your facial, hydrates, and also reduce wrinkles and fine lines. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of the sweet almond oil also. Next, I'm reaching for some vitamin E, and I'm using the vitamin E as a preservative but also as an hydrator for the skin, help to balance the skin and actually lock the moisture in the skin, prevent water loss from the skin. So I'm using a few drops of the vitamin E, around about a half a teaspoon. Now once this is done, here in our blender we have grapeseed oil, we have almond oil, and we have vitamin E oil. And here I have a very special oil which is known as the bakuchiol oil. It's very strong oil and is a perfect anti-aging, anti-wrinkle facial oil. I'm going to be using the bakuchiol oil in this. It is known as the new retinol. So I'm using about 3 to 4 drops of the bakuchiol oil, pouring this in. Now once this is done, we're going to reach for our rice Star Anise mixture. We're going to give this a stir, and this smells amazing. And I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of the mixture. We're adding this to the blender with the oil. Oh my God, this is just amazing. This is just an amazing mixture here. And now that we have all the ingredients, what we are going to do, we are going to blend this to a creamy consistency. And blend well. Now take a look. This is it. Now we are done. This is our amazing facial moisturizer. You're looking for an anti-aging facial moisturizer that's gonna lift, tighten, and firm the skin while reducing hyperpigmentation on the skin. This is it right there, jam-packed with antioxidants such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. This is also great for most skin type. So what we're gonna do with this, we are gonna pour it in a small jar, and this jar you need to make sure it is sterilized. And now let's pour in our small bowl. This is it. This is our anti-aging facial moisturizer, a unique anti-aging facial moisturizer made out of rice and Star Anise Spice. So you're going to take the moisturizer and you're going to press it on the skin. I like to press it on my skin like this. Just press it, and then I just massage it on my skin. I also like to use it on my forehead, massage it on my forehead. I put it in my laugh lines and I massage it on my laugh line. This is going to help to lift, tighten, and firm the skin. Use it after your facial serum. Apply it on your face, your neck, and décolleté, and you're on your way to amazing looking skin.